Title: The Brain That Had Too Many Questions * Curious Beyond Control Opening Centime Max Maple. An endlessly curious 10-year-old who asks questions about everything. His room is a lab-library hybrid, stacks of books, half-dissected toasters, a telescope taped to a basketball hoop, and a hamster in a lab coat. Max's questions drive everyone nuts. Why are yawns contagious? What if gravity decided to take a nap? Why doesn't glue stick to the inside of the bottle? Even his goldfish wears noise-canceling headphones. His parents, loving but exhausted scientists, build him a homemade invention to help. The Wonder Helmet, a device that connects his brain to a database of knowledge. Accident at the science fair at the Sproutwood Science Fair. Max tries the Wonder Helmet in front of everyone. But when he asks too many questions at once, the helmet overloads, sparking, swirling, and then, boom, a puff of neon smoke. When it clears, Max's brain has split from his body, literally. Meet Brainy Max's brain, now a walking, talking, floating pink blob in glasses, has a voice of its own. It's fast-talking, curious, and doesn't want to go back in Max's head. Brainy, I've got too many questions to answer. And finally, freedom to find the answers. Max chases his own brain. Brainy takes off to explore the town and learn everything. Max, with help from his best friend Luna, must track Brainy down before things get out of hand. Or out of head. A town full of questions. Stop 1. The library of endless loops. Brainy asks the computers why they need passwords. The search engine explodes with overthinking. The card catalog turns into a tornado of paper. Max and Luna calm things down by explaining the importance of organizing knowledge and taking breaks between questions. Stop 2. The grocery store logic war. Brainy argues with a self-checkout robot about whether tomatoes are fruits or vegetables. A food fight erupts over food classification. Max teaches Brainy context matters in science and language. Stop 3. Physics playground. Brainy discovers a skate park and starts altering physics to answer W. Had if slides went up instead of down. The playground gets stuck in a gravity reversing loop until Max reminds Brainy some questions are best answered by experiments, not imagination alone. Stop 4. Zoo of evolution. Brainy debates a zookeeper. Why don't penguins fly? Why do giraffes have long necks? He tries to splice DNA to fix the animals. Max and Luna teach Brainy about evolution, adaptation, and respecting nature's answers. Stop 5. Historical hall of what-ifs. Brainy goes into a museum and starts rearranging history. What if the dinosaurs had Netflix? What if Mozart had a beatbox? Historical statues begin arguing in rhyme. Max explains, asking what if is great, but we learn from what was, not just what might have been. Mini crisis. Brainy is overwhelmed. Brainy overheats trying to answer every question at once. WHY is why a word? He sparks again, glitching and growing in size. He's becoming the question cloud. A giant thought storm hovering over town. Curiosity with caution. Brainstorm. The question cloud shoots random questions everywhere. How many ants would it take to carry a car? Why can't we sneeze with our eyes open? Can you tickle yourself with a robot? People freeze mid-conversation. Robots shut down. Pets meow in binary. Max realizes Brainy isn't broken, he's overloaded. Max builds a question filter from a backpack, an egg whisk, and a sock puppet. Max's speech to his brain. Max tells Brainy, you don't have to ask every question all at once. Curiosity is great, but it's even better when we follow through. He tells Brainy that answers are journeys, not lightning bolts. Reunion and resolution. Max reabsorbs Brainy, now calmer, more balanced. He still has questions, but now he asks them one at a time and listens. Final scene. Eat the next science fair. Max presents the art of wondering. One question at a time. He wins second place, loses to a girl who built a drone that sings opera. And he's okay with that. Max to camera. If curiosity killed the cat, it probably just wanted to know why cats always land on their feet. The final shot, Max's Wonder Helmet is upgraded and now powered by patience. Educational themess the value of asking questions scientific method. And curiosity-balancing imagination with research understanding versus overwhelming critical thinking. And emotional self-regulation.
Please subscribe to Check's Comedy.